Hi guys, today we'll see exercise 11.4 Algebra NCERT class 6. 11.3 you'll see later because that exercise seems to be very easy. Question 1. Check Sarita's present age has to be Y years. So Sarita's present age is equal to Y years. What will be her age 5 years from now? Since we have seen the algebraic expression writing in one of my previous video, we can refer that before understanding this exercises. So the first question on question 1 is, what will be our age 5 years from now? So that's going to be y plus 5. Why? Because current age is given as y. Second question. So relating to Sarita's age, we are finding all the list of questions given below. What was her age 3 years back? So just before 3 years, her age must be 5 minus 3. Question 3. Sarita's grandfather is 6 times her age. So what is her grandfather's age? So grandfather age is 6 times of Sarita's. So that's going to be 6y times, meaning multiplication. This is actually 6 into y, which we call it as 6y. Question 4. Grandmother is 2 years younger than grandfather. So grandmother's age then, mother's age, she's 2 years younger to grandfather. So 2 years younger to whom? Grandfather, which we already know. So 6y minus 2. Fifth part of it. Sarita's father ages 5 years more than 3 times Sarita's age. So father's age is equal to 5 years more. 5 years more than 3 times Sarita's age. So 3 times Sarita's age we know is 5. 3 times Sarita's age. So by having Sarita's age as reference, we are writing all the other expressions for this question. A. Question B. The length of the rectangular hall is, so just let's take the hall like this. So we are going to write the expression for length. What is the relation they have given? The length of the rectangular hall is 4 meters less than 3 times the breadth of the hall. And they have already given breadth of the hall is equal to B meters. So that is already given. What we are going to find is the length. And the length is 4 meters less. So it's going to be minus 4 meters less than 3 times the breadth. So 3 times the breadth. So the length is equal to 3b minus 4 meters. Units is mandate. Question number C. A rectangular box has a height of h centimeter. It's been given as rectangular box, so that clearly shows it's a cuboid. Rectangular box has a a height of h centimeter. So height is already given. Height equal to h centimeter, and the length is 5 times the height. So 5 times, it's going to be 5 h centimeter, and and the breadth is 10 times less than length. So breadth is 10 times less than length. We know the length is 5 h centimeter. Next question D. Meena, Beena, Leena are climbing the steps to the hilltop. So the three girls are climbing the steps to the hilltop. Meena is at the step S. So Meena position is equal to S. Beena is 8 steps ahead. So Beena position equal to 8 steps ahead, and Leena is 7 steps behind. So Leena's position is 7 steps behind. The total number of steps to the hilltop is 10 less than 4 times what Meena reached. Total number of steps is given as 10 less than, so minus 10, 4 times of Meena, so which is 4s. Next question E. A bus travels at v kilometer per hour. So speed equal to v kilometer per hour. It's going from Daspur to Bispur after the bus has traveled 5 hours. So distance travel in 5 hours is equal to 5 v kilometer. Bispur is still 20 kilometers away. So the total distance we are going to find, it is still 20 kilometers away. So we're going to add 20 kilometers to this 5v. Question 2, I'm going to verbally discuss because it's just simple English writing. Change the following statements using expressions into statements in ordinary language. One example is given over there. If Salim scores R runs, Nalin scores R plus 15. So that means we're going to write it as 15. Nalin scores 15 runs more than Salim. So the same way you're going to write the answer for the other things. I'm going to just verbally say that. Question A in 2. A book costs 3 times the cost of a notebook. This is the answer. Why? Because the notebook cost us P rupees and the book cost is 3p. So this is 3 times. So the book cost is 3 times the cost of notebook. Second question. Tony puts Q marbles on a table. He has 8 Q marbles in a box. So the number of marbles in the box is 8 times that of the marble on the table. Our class has n students. The school has 20 n students. So total number of school students is 20 times that of our class students. Jagu is Z year old. His uncle is 4Z year old. and his aunt is 4z minus 3. So that means, what do you write? Jagu's uncle is 4 times the age of Jagu, and auntie is 3 years younger than uncle. So this is the way you're going to write this. And question E, in an arrangement of dots, there are R rows. Each row contains 5 dots. So the total number of dots 5 times that of number of rows. So this is just, you're going to write it in simple English. Next, question number 3A. Given Munu's age is to be X years, this is Munu's age, can you guess what is X minus 2? And some hint is given over there. Think of Munu's younger brother. So younger brother's age is X minus 2. Then what would you think of, can you guess what would be X plus 4? This must be maybe elder brother's age. Then 3X plus 7. What this can be guessed this? This could be father's. This is father's age. So this is Mono's age. So obviously someone who is younger to him will have this kind of age, or maybe 2 years before Mono's age itself is X, can be possibly X minus 2. But since the hint is given over here, think of a younger brother. This must be younger brother's age. So this is plus 4 obviously is greater than his age. So it must be his elder brother or sister's age. And 3 times his age plus 7 years. It must be his father's age. Next question. 3 only. B. Here, given Sarah's age is to be 5 years. So Sarah's age is equal to 5 years. Think of her age in the future or past. What will be the following expressions indicate? They have given some expressions over here. Y plus 3, y minus 3, y plus 7, y minus 3, y plus 4, 1 by 2, y minus 2, 1 by 2. So what are these following expression? Each one is an expression. It has variable, number, as well as operators, which we have seen in one of the previous video about the algebraic expressions. So our ages in past can be all this and this, because it's given minus, definitely something in the past. Our ages in future must be these two, because it's added. So these are the two possible answers. So our age in past is equal to these two. Our age in future is this two. Question number 3C. Given n students in the class like football, so football is liked by n number of students in a class, what does 2n represent and what does n by 2 represent? So here you can say twice that of children like cricket. So number of students like cricket is twice that of football. We can relate it this way. And half the students like maybe we can say tennis. So we can write it then number of, so what does this expressions can possibly mean is the question. So you're just guessing, and they have given a hint. Think of some other game other than football. Why? Because you have to compare with the sport. So this sport is liked by n number of students in a class. So 2n possibly number of students liking cricket, number of students like cricket twice that of football. We can just say whatever sport you want, you can assume it over here. So some sport is like twice the number of students are involved in some other game, so which is formed which has been liked by twice the number of students. So possibly it could be cricket, and n by 2 represents half of it. So number of students like tennis is half that of football, we can write. Number of students like tennis is half the students like football. Hope this is useful. If you find this useful, please do share with your friends. Thank you.